Welcome back, friends, to the Skilled Teachers Quiz channel. Today, we are playing Guess the Country and learn interesting facts, too. Are you ready for the easy level? Let's start. Home to the Grand Canyon and Hollywood. United States of America. Big Ben and red buses everywhere. United Kingdom. The land of maple syrup and Niagara Falls. Canada. Bonjour. The Eiffel Tower stands tall here. France. Home of the fastest highways and Oktoberfest. Germany. Pizza, pasta, and the Colosseum. Italy. Cherry blossoms and Mount Fuji. Japan. The Great Wall is so long you can see it from space. China. Spicy curry, Bollywood, and the Taj Mahal. India. Samba, football, and the Amazon rainforest. Brazil. The largest country in the world. Russia. Flamenco, dancing, and paella. Spain. K-pop and kimchi. South Korea. The Opera House and Great Barrier Reef. Australia. Tacos and ancient pyramids. Mexico. Tango and the mighty Iguazu Falls. Argentina. They have lions and safaris. South Africa. The Vikings in a hotel made of ice. Sweden. You can see the northern lights from here. Norway. Chocolate, cheese, and the Alps. Switzerland. So, how did you go? Can you handle the medium level? Watch part 2. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quiz videos like these.